Hard-boiled eggs are not supposed to have a nasty-looking greenish-gray yolk inside. A properly hard-boiled yolk will be bright and yellow and happy to see you every time you crack into one. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Carefully place your eggs into the bottom of a saucepan or pot. Size doesn't matter here, it just needs to be big enough to fit the eggs. Fill the pot with cold water, cold enough to cover the eggs with about an inch or so extra. The sink is this way. Step 2. Put the eggs over a burner set to high and wait for the water to boil. Depending on your cooktop, might take 5 minutes, might take a little longer. When the bubbles start, and not those tiny ones at the beginning, but decent sized bubbles and lots of them, set your timer for 5 minutes and go pound a beer. I don't know what you do with your time. Step 3. When the timer goes off, set it for 10 more minutes and take the pot off the heat. Cover the pot with a lid, then go pound a beer. Step 4. After you've let the eggs sit covered for 10 minutes, carefully dump out that hot water and fill the pot with cold water to stop these babies from cooking any further. It's overcooking that results in that greenish-gray nastiness alluded to earlier. And that's it. That's all there is. Hard-boiled eggs. It's a good idea to mark them with a Sharpie or something before you put them in the fridge so you don't accidentally try to peel a raw egg. I've done that before. I like to mark mine so they look like they're on a roller coaster having a good time. I love you for watching all the way to the end. It means a lot and thank you for that. If I helped you in any way, you can help me by hitting the subscribe button and throwing a like my way. If you have any questions, I'll answer them in the comments, so come on and say hi. I hope you learned something.